Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play Fortnite on PC with a PS4 controller. All right, let's begin. First of all, you will need to download the DS4 Windows software from the GitHub website. Simply open any type of preferred browser and search for DS4 Windows. After that, open the first website and then download the software. Once downloaded, extract the files and then access the application. Now, this type of interface will be displayed. Here you just need to access the Settings tab from the top and then click on the controller/driver setup embedded inside it. You just need to install the first software and also the HID hide software just in case you need it. Once done, click on the Finish button and connect your DualShock 4 controller. Next, go to Settings again and open the device options from the bottom of the list. And make sure to enable the DS4 controller support feature. Finally, connect the controller and it will start appearing on your screen. So that's basically how you can play Fortnite on PC with a PS4 controller. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.